to the Hi-Fi Club volunteering web application. We have created a series of videos for you to understand the Hi-Fi Club volunteering application. This being the first one. In this video, I will teach you how to create an account on Project Hina and how to start searching for NGOs. To start with, you have already received a mail which welcomes you to the Hi-Fi Club campaign and which has your credentials, which is your username and your password. Always remember the Hi-Fi Club campaign is available at projecthina.com/hi-fi club. This is one of the most important URLs. You need to bookmark it and save it so that you can keep referring this again and again. So I am back in my mail, and the mail also points to the same URL, which is projecthina.com/hi-fi club. It has a username and it has a password. I will just copy paste the username and password. I click on the URL. So always remember, this page will give you all the information required during the Hi-Fi Club campaign. If I scroll down, these are the details about the campaign. In case if you have not yet received any mail, you can click here and register on Project Hina. These are the FAQs related to the campaign. Any kind of questions, feel free to ask us. Here are the featured tasks which are highlighted by Hi-Fi Club. These are the volunteers, and these are some statistics about the Hi-Fi Club campaign. So as and when we progress on the Hi-Fi Club activities, the tasks, volunteers and stats will keep on changing. Do note, the tasks and volunteers are only featured. In the next video, I will even show you how to search for tasks regarding the Hi-Fi Club campaign. So on this page, this is the most important thing that you need to do, is create a profile. I click here to log in. As I have already copy pasted my password, I will just enter the username. This is my password. Everyone has received a random generated password. Once I log into the application, the first thing that you need to do is create a profile. At any time in the application, on the right hand side, you will find this box which will guide you to the same URL, which is the projecthina.com/hi-fi club link. In profile, I go and edit my profile. Now, unlike what you see right now on the screen, your profile will not have all the details. So you'll first click on personal details. There are three details on Project Hina: personal, karma and optional. In personal details, I have entered my name, gender, my date of birth and my email address. Do note, your email address will not be shared publicly. On the karma profile details, you need to enter your city. In case if you are from Chennai, you will just write the first few characters and select it from the drop down. I am available during weekdays, weekends, Monday, Tuesday, anytime, whether I am flexible or not. Timing also I can select. So I have selected that I am available on weekdays and it is flexible. My preferred courses, I am open to help startups, NGOs. I have even selected all communities. So you can go ahead and just select NGOs in case if you want to help only NGOs or government bodies or startups, students. I prefer helping everyone. Here I select the skills. The skills can be professional skills like accounting, marketing, human resource, computer hardware, software, sales, etc. It can be creative skills like content writing, blogging, social media, drawing, painting, videography, or it can be skills related to the social sector like fundraising, volunteering, and data entry work. So I have selected certain skills. I will select one more just to highlight. I can help you with internet and web. Maximum of 5 skills can be selected. We are here. So it highlights that I have selected 5 skills. I have entered my mobile number and a few details. I click on the optional details. This is the URL which will be shared publicly. If you have a personal website, like in my case it can be himanshuchanda.com, I can just write it there. Else it will show me the URL of the app. I can even write my Twitter handle here. In case of employer or designation, you can write who is the employer currently. You can even write who are you volunteering for. After that, just update your profile. Once you have updated your profile, it will ask you to share your profile with your friends, families and communities so that they can be invited to help us with this Hi-Fi campaign. With this, you have completed your profile. You can either go back to the dashboard or you can click view profile to see how the profile looks to the audience. This is my personal profile. It will be the URL projecthina.com/himanshu. This is the about me detail that I have written, my location that we discussed about, the campaign that I am supporting, which is Hi-Fi Club and Joy of Giving, and a few more details about my skills and expertise. So with this, your profile has been created. The next thing that you would do is click on search tab or click here to search Hi-Fi tasks. This I will be covering in the next video. Thank you for watching. Do remember the URL would be projecthina.com/hi-fi club. Thank you.